Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got my hair like this, my unicorn vomit hair. First it was a blonde wig from You Amazing Hair. I'm going to put all the information in the description box. I used 3 different hair dyes and it was a really easy process. So if you guys want to see how I got my hair like this, then keep on watching. So before you start, you want to spray the lace with hairspray to make sure that no dye gets on your frontal. So the first color I used was lavender. You can start with any color. You can start with pink, blue, purple, whatever color you want to use, but I like to use lavender. And then I went in with pink petal and then sky blue. You don't have to use the same colors as me. You can use whatever colors you want, but this process will be the same for any color. So I'm starting with purple or lavender. So I'm putting the lavender on the top layer of my hair first. And the way I'm like applying it, I basically am like putting it on thick at the top and then kind of making it fade into highlights when it gets towards the bottom. This is going to be like an ombre type of look, so you don't want to put the purple all the way down. You want to make sure that you comb through each time you put dye on the hair so that you can see like really clearly where you need to add more dye. Hair and go in sections and coat the front and the back parts, if that makes sense. I mean, you can just see what I do now, but I'm basically like going into the hair and like really like going in and dyeing each strand so that like the top part is like completely purple. There's no blonde parts showing. So now we're going to go in with blue, and I didn't want there to be a lot of blues. I only left a little section for the blue part. The major colors to be purple and pink. So when I'm adding the blue, I'm kind of making it like fade from purple to blue, so I'm putting a little bit of the blue like on the purple strands just so it like fades like seamlessly and it looks nice and like ombre. So the pink is going to be the last color that we use. We're going to put that on the very bottom of the hair. Okay, so I left the dye in for about an hour actually, just because I wanted it to look like this, like super bright. and when I washed it out, there was barely any dye like in the water, meaning that the dye like stayed in my hair. That's what you want, just so the color can be like as bright as possible. So yeah, that was the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys try this out, oh my gosh, please tag me in your pictures because I want to see how it looks on you guys. But that was the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye guys.